guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk.
So guys, there's a few things to understand about this setup. It's not too hard to understand, but there are a few things. So for the SSD, this is my old SSD. I've got to take this off the bracket, right? Unscrew this, take it out, and the SSD has to fit. This SSD has to fit in here. And there's some screws here. I can screw it in up, down, left, right. And then from here, I got to attach it to one of these SATA cables from the power supply, as well as go through this hole to attach it to the motherboard. Okay, so let's find a long SATA cable. I'm just going to plug it into here because it's too hard to see otherwise. Okay, I'm just going to put this through the hole for the back. All right, and that's a cable that I just pulled through. This is meant to go on the SSD. So let's take the SSD off the bracket. All right, taking off the bracket. And now, see if it can go on here. This is in the way. So I'll have to take this off. This is going to be stuck on the back, and I want these two things on the left. So let's put it in like this. All right, so let's put the screws into there. Don't do it too tight because you might damage the hard drive. Now we can stick it on here. Hook the big one in first, actually. Finally gone in. Small one. Okay. Finally. Oh god. Very tiring. So that's just the SSD. I haven't got the hard drive in yet. Hard drive has to go in underneath all that junk. Okay, so this is the bottom of the case. And there are two screws I need to remove to take out the hard drive bracket. So see this hard drive bracket? I need to somehow take it out. It's crazy. Okay, that's a hard drive enclosure. I'm gonna put my hard drive on and then put it back. So how many hard drives can fit in this? Just like that. On the side, where does the screws go? Here. Not too deep, might damage the hard drive. All right, now I have to slot it back into the case. Bit of a nightmare, that one. Oh. So you can see the hard drive bracket is in here now, behind all of these cables. Hard drive, and then need to plug in the SATA cables and it should work. This cable is coming from the power supply, so that should work. I'm just going to put a red one in and do the red one on the other side because these are the straight ones. Okay, see the red one plugged in? I'm just going to put a red one in on the other side. Easier. Put in the red one. Okay, done. Done. Okay, one more crack at it. See if it'll shut like this. Okay, tried many times, managed to shut it. Unfortunately, I didn't film it, but on this side, there's a few hooks and you sort of have to really try and hook them on so that it doesn't come out. So here is my Apex Pro, my Logitech mouse, my computer, all RGB. Okay, so there's my computer all set up. The case is closed at the back. And my monitor is here. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. And this is what it looks like at night time. Keyboard, mouse, and a phone. Monitor. New computer with the lighting.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.